My name is Jonathan Hargreaves and I work for TRN Training. In this TRN Taster, I'd like to take a further look at statistical assessment to investigate situations. We've already looked at mode, mean, median, and what I'd like to do today is look at the range. This is the difference between the highest value in the set and the lowest value. So let's do an example. So let's take the figures 182, 415, 772, 211, 495 and 325. The highest value is 772 and the lowest 182. So 772 take away 182 equals 590. The range of this data would be described as 590. One thing you need to remember when calculating the range is that if there is a 0 in your data set, then you take 0 from the highest point. So let's do a further example. 182, 415, 772, 211, 0, 495 and 327. So 772 take away 0 equals 772. The range of this data would be described as 772. I hope you've enjoyed listening to this TRN Taster and I hope to see you all soon.